Hello and welcome to Drawing with Spencer. Today we will be drawing Baby Yoda, aka the child from The Mandalorian. The supplies that you will need for this drawing video are a pencil, an eraser, and some markers. To start it off, draw an oval. Then make a curved line on both sides and make them look like a leaf. You mess up like I did, you can just erase it with your eraser. Then make it look more like a leaf. Make a line on his forehead and then make an M and a line and a straight line on both of the ends of the M. Make a circle and put another circle inside those circles. Make an almost closed circle but not on the sides, even though a circle doesn't have sides. Give him an expression, and then under that expression put a curved line like this. Then make a t-shirt design. Kind of like this. Then give him some sleeves. Make a line in the middle. Make a box here and a box above that box. Lots of boxes. Give him hands. And then go over it, trace everything that you've done with Sharpie or a pen. After you have gone over everything in your pen or Sharpie, erase all of the pencil marks. After erasing all of the eraser marks, color in his eyes. After you have colored in his eyes, color in the bottom half of his ears with pink. Now that that is done, you're going to want to color in his ears, his face, and his hands with a green color. After you've colored in his skin, take a brown and color in his sleeves and these two things. I don't know what they are. After that, take another brown and color in the robe. And there you have Baby Yoda. Thank you for watching Drawing with Spencer. I hope you found this tutorial informational, and have a great day. Goodbye.